What's changed about the new Auto-Sleeper Bourton? Let's get right into it and have a look. Hello, I'm Nigel from SMC Motorhomes, and today we're going to be taking a walk around this new Auto-Sleeper Bourton and looking at some of the new features for this model. So let's start first with the dimensions of the van. It's 6.46 metres long, 2.26 metres wide and 2.86 metres high. It's based on the Mercedes 3.5 tonne chassis, and it's a 170 brake horsepower and has a 9-speed automatic gearbox. So now let's start to walk along the side where we can see some of these features. So the first thing you will notice is these new design graphics for this year. Much more colour in there and they really stand out. We've got the 16-inch alloy wheels on the van. Moving back, we have got the pumped water fill and your normal water fill. We've got 63 litres of fresh, 54 litres of waste on this van. As always with Auto-Sleeper, we've got the 25 litre underslung gas tank. Moving back along, a new feature again is the Aldi water system on this van, so it gives you hot water from the start to give you a much more comfortable shower. Electric hookup, toilet cassette service area. Comes now with rear mud flaps on the van. We've then got side detection assist for pedestrians and cycles on the van. Moving around the back, we've got spare wheel underneath, manual rear steadies on it, mounting points for a cycle rack and the colour reverse camera. Moving back along, we've now got the electric step, we've got the door with the single point locking, we've got a fly screen over there, LED strip light across the top, 2-lay awning above. So lots of features here. Vents for the fridge, and then we've got the outside barbecue point and the outside electric point, which is familiar to all Auto-Sleepers. Moving along, we've got our storage for our cables, etc. down there. And then as we come down the side again, these lovely graphics. So now let's take a look around some of the features on the inside. If you enjoy our tour videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now let's take a look at the cab of this van. So being the new Mercedes, it's got all of the nice functions you'd expect up here. So we've got multifunction steering wheel with all of your controls on here, so you can set everything up. And then we've got the Mercedes Me system here. So let's just take a look at some of the features that have been added to this van. So we've got lots of safety features: active brake assist, lane keep assist, blind spot assist. And then if we go back across, we've then got attention assistance. So if you are feeling a bit drowsy, the vehicle can pick up on that. And then we've also got speed limit assist, so you get an audible warning should you go over the speed limit. So lots of stuff in here, lots of nice new features compared to the older model. So the lounge on this van is absolutely massive. We've got these two big benches here which are really nice to relax on. And as we look around above us, we've got nice little reading lights which are a new feature for this year. We've got the black handles and the new finish on the cupboards. Then up above the cab there, we've got the big skylight with LEDs around it, so you can change your lighting in the evening if you want it a little bit more relaxing. And then we've got the little cupboard storage up there as well, which again is a new feature. So moving back into the van, let's look at some of the standard features we get on here. We've got the Truma venter aircon on the roof. And then if we open this large wardrobe at the side of us, we've then got the Wi-Fi unit up there, which is standard on this van. At the back there you can also see the Aldi topper tank for your heating. Aldi is now standard on this van. We've then got all of this storage, little basket there for putting bits in. Massive amount of storage on this van. So now let's take a look into the kitchen area. So we've got this new worktop for this year. Large fridge underneath with an ice box. And then storage here with the complimentary Auto-Sleeper glasses in. And let's take a look at this kitchen, which is nice and spacious. So we've got 4 hob burners there, 3 gas, 1 electric. Then got your sink unit and the new design of black taps there. Pull-up electric sockets, so we've got 3 240 volt sockets in the kitchen area. Extractor fan above, microwave. And then also, while we're in this area, let's have a look at this. So we can pull that out and that gives us a massive working area in this kitchen. Really nice features. Let's take a look in the washroom on the van. So we've got the new design for this year again with all the black features. It's a separate washroom and toilet. We've got lots of storage in there. You've got a cupboard above there, and then also on the left hand side you have access to your wardrobe, so you can actually get changed in there if you need to. Really nice looking place to be, and with this new Aldi boiler you can have a really comfortable shower, because also on this van they've put an upgraded water pump for this year as well. Let's take a look at the control panel in the back here. So we've got a normal Aldi heating control panel. So it is the 3030 system, which is the latest system now. And then the main panel. So there's a bit of a change here. We've got a really easy to read dial compared to the previous years. So as you can see there, the habitation battery is good, water level low. We're not plugged in on the mains, but we are charging via the solar. For this year, Auto-Sleep have gone to an 100-watt solar panel and a 100 amp hour lithium battery, so an upgrade over the previous year. This system is a Sargent system. It's got the Sargent S7 tracker built in. There is a subscription to that, which is £100 a year. But another new feature as well for this year, they've got sonic water tank sensors, so an improvement there on reading for your levels of water. Before we take a look at the bed makeup on this van, let's just take a look at the storage underneath the beds. So on this side we've got all of that area there for storage, and then moving across to the opposite side we have our lithium battery there, the 100 amp hour battery. We've got the Aldi heating system there, but we have got some storage in front of that as well. Now let's take a look at the bed options in this van. So what we've got is the two single benches here. You can sleep them as single beds, and all you would do to do that is just pull them slightly away from the wall, let the cushion drop down the back, and there's your single bed. So it's 1.92 meters long and 0.73 meters wide. So that would still give you space to move around in the van. Now let's take a look at making it up into a double. And when we make it into the double bed, it is 1.92 by 2.1 meters. Let us know in the comments section below what are your favourite features on this new Auto-Sleeper Bourton, and if you'd like to see more amazing motorhomes and videos, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button below. See you in the next video.